Hi and welcome back. My name is Denise and I am your chipboardalbums.com hostess. In this video segment I'm going to show you how to cut printed papers for your chipboard word books. Before you get started, you'll want to select coordinating papers to cover your word book with. I like to allow one 12 by 12 sheet, although you'll not need a full sheet for some of the first couple of letters in the word. You'll need a nice pair of scissors and something to write with so you can trace. Or if you prefer, you can also use an X-Acto knife and a cutting board. You're going to take your first sheet of paper that you want to cover your first letter with. And in this case, we're using the letter L. And we're going to fold it in half so the print on the paper faces inward. Next, you're going to place your chipboard letter on top of the piece of paper. And you are going to trace the letter. You can also use an invisible ink pen, and that way you don't have to worry about any lines. So you have your L traced. And now you can take your scissors or your X-Acto knife and cut it out. And once you have your letters all cut out, you can use a hole punch to create the holes that are on the side of the letters for the binding. And once you have that cut out, you are going to have two letters because we folded the sheet of paper in half. And alternatively, if you like, rather than folding the piece of paper in half, you can also use your paper trimmer and cut the paper in half prior to tracing. And that what you're going to do is you're going to take your favorite adhesive and you are going to place it on either the chipboard or the printed paper, either way. And just push it down, and then you're going to flip it over and you're going to do the same. And once you're done, you can, like I said, you can punch your holes in your paper and you can add some embellishments and rings to bind the book together. And it's as simple as that. We thank you for watching, and please feel free to email us if you have any questions. And be sure to watch for future videos on how to bind your book and how to preserve it. We're also going to give creative suggestions on how you can embellish your book as well, so stay tuned. We do have a few available kits, the My Love chipboard word books, all available in a kit. That includes the rings, the eyelets, the letters, the papers already pre-cut for you, and the love heart charm, the buttons, the brads, the ribbons, and the flowers. Everything's included. Thanks again.